Every second a pipeline leaks, more property is damaged. Pollution spreads. Every minute increases the risk of injury and death. Pipeline controllers will act quickly to shut down a pipeline based on a leak alarm if they have complete confidence in their leak detection system. Only leak detection systems that are optimized, reliable, and well-maintained can earn this confidence. Best practice engineering documents, such as the API Recommended Practice 1175, set the expectation that leak detection systems should be maintained, tested, and continuously improved. Regulators around the world will look to this standard and others like it when they evaluate and judge pipeline operators. Atmos International has a dedicated global customer care team trained to deliver maintenance and optimization services that go beyond industry best practices. The Atmos Customer Care Program is designed to optimize Atmos leak detection systems, document their maintenance, and drive continuous improvement. Urgent issues such as product loss alarms and abnormal system events are addressed immediately during business hours. Routine maintenance includes system health checks, optimization, testing, and tracking key performance indicators. This team is available to service any Atmos product. Additional service options include after-hour support and 24/7 monitoring. The after-hour support option assures access to a specialist for critical issues. The 24/7 monitoring makes sure that key system trends and statistics are watched in real time. Monitoring systems 24/7 is ideal for any operator who wants an extra pair of eyes behind the controller. Let us act before you have to react. The Customer Care Portal allows access to our unique computerized maintenance management system for pipeline asset tracking, performance metrics, and improvement planning. Customers can check reports, project progress, and access training sessions in this portal. Well-supported leak detection systems, instruments, and telecommunications assure faster and more reliable leak detection. The controller will trust the system and shut down the pipeline, minimizing the consequential damage. Atmos International, we go beyond in maintenance support.